I'm Danny, and I'm here to try 3 different chicken sandwiches from McDonald's, Chick-fil-A, and Wendy's. Because they have 3 different price points. $1, $5, the other was 10?
Yeah.
The other one be $10. So, let's go in and try the first chicken sandwich for $1. So I have right in front of me the McChicken. Alright, so I'm about to try it out. Look-wise, it looks very hastily prepared, not going to lie. There's a lot of mayo, so I already know. Very flimsy bread. Smells somewhat like chicken? Question mark? Very thin sandwich. Very thin sandwich. But one of the first things you taste is not chicken, it's mayo. Which is kind of unsettling because when you think of chicken sandwiches, you think of chicken. So if I have to give this a rating, I give it a 2 out of 5, unfortunately. Come on, McDonald's, step up your game. I got this Chick-fil-A sandwich. It's nice and golden brown. And it's like crispy, bro. It smells like amazing, like a heavenly aroma decided to be like, yo, Jesus is gonna, like, can I eat some now?
Yes.
The first bite, there was a satisfying crunch. The real chicken, oh my god, the chicken's so tender. The bun goes perfectly with the crunch of the fried chicken part. Oh my god. If I have to give this a 5-star rating, I'm gonna go 4 out of 5 stars. I'm gonna keep eating this stuff because this is really good.
Wait, why don't you try it with the sauce?
I'm not a big fan of it. Kind of dilutes some of the flavor. But the sauce and the chicken sandwich are great separately, but they don't work together. The sauce is not right for the chicken sandwich, unfortunately. Sad. I'm here at Wendy's. I'm gonna try the spicy bacon jalapeno chicken sandwich. It may be a mouthful to say, but I hope I'm gonna put a mouthful in my mouth. Let's see what I got here today. Okay. It's the looks kinda underwhelming. There's some grilled onions, so you smell that. That's nice. That's a nice touch. Alright, first bite, here we go. Not too overpowering with the spices, which is nice. But I wish I could taste the bacon a bit more.
Rating out of 5.
Huh?
What's your rating out of 5?
3.5 stars out of 5. I'm gonna have another bite because this was pretty good.